Imagine being able to read every line of your genetic code. Not just a fraction, but all 3 billion of your genetic positions, analyzed with medical precision worthy of the largest research laboratories. That's what sequencing.com, the American genealogy analysis platform, offers. Health, nutrition, rare diseases, pharmacogenomics. Everything is covered thanks to complete whole genome sequencing. We tested the service, analyzed our results, and in this video, we give you our expert opinion on sequencing.com. Why did we decide to go with this lab rather than another? Several reasons convinced us to try sequencing.com. First, their approach to whole genome sequencing, where most competitors analyze between 500,000 and 700,000 variants. Sequencing.com will analyze all 3 billion of your genetic positions. Second, their DNA app marketplace looked promising, with over 200 reports available. Finally, their compatibility with DNA data from other services allowed us to compare their results with our previous tests at MyHeritage and 23andMe. Founded in 2013 by Dr. Brandon Colby and based in Pasadena, California, sequencing.com offers a range of whole genome sequencing WGS services designed for health and wellness. The lab offers 3 distinct packages to suit different needs, ranging from general health assessments to professional medical analysis. The standard WGS health assessment package is the most basic, offering 5 reports covering essential areas such as rare disease screening, over 15,000 conditions, carrier screening, autoimmune diseases, cardiovascular health, and Ehlers-Danlos syndrome research. This package is ideal for a first approach to genomic sequencing. The Advanced Health Assessment WGS package expands the analysis with 10 reports. It includes the elements of the standard package and adds crucial information on medications and drug response, connective tissue disorders, brain health, reproductive and hormonal health, and cancer risk. This package is for those who want a deeper understanding of their genetic health. Finally, the Professional Medical Screening WGS package is the most comprehensive offering, providing 20 detailed reports. In addition to the reports from the previous packages, it includes areas such as neurological health, digestive disorders, endocrine health, musculoskeletal health, skin health, and respiratory health. It also offers summaries for healthcare professionals, rheumatologists, and geneticists, making it a powerful tool for in-depth medical consultations. If you would like to purchase a DNA test and discover your history with sequencing, click on the link we have provided in the description. Please note that this is an affiliate link that helps us fund our future videos and maintain our independence, because yes, our videos are 100% impartial and transparent. By using our link, you are supporting our work. To analyze your DNA data, sequencing.com offers 2 options. You can either order one of their sequencing kits for a complete analysis, or simply import the raw data you have already obtained from other laboratories such as 23andMe, MyHeritage, or Family Tree DNA. For our test, we chose the sample collection kit. The kit contains a swab that you rub inside your cheek for 1 minute on each side, then return in the prepaid envelope provided. Once the sample is received by the laboratory, the DNA is extracted, purified, sequenced using whole genome sequencing 30x technology, and then validated by quality control in CLIA certified and CAP accredited laboratories. In terms of turnaround time, allow 6 to 8 weeks for the standard option and 2 to 3 weeks for the ultra-fast option. In our case, we received our results exactly 3 weeks after sending our sample. We were impressed by the comprehensiveness of sequencing.com's results. The complete sequencing gave us access to a comprehensive view of our genetic heritage. The platform provides detailed reports on more than 15,000 rare diseases and genetic predispositions, with automatic updates as new scientific discoveries enrich the database. Pharmacogenomics analyses tell us how our bodies respond to over 200 different medications. Wellness reports cover nutrition, exercise, and metabolism in remarkable detail. The Origins module identifies our ancestry, although this is clearly not sequencing.com's primary focus compared to dedicated services such as MyHeritage. All results are presented in a secure private space in the form of interactive reports that can be downloaded. For healthcare professionals, raw data is available in FASTQ, BAM, and VCF formats, while companies such as 23andMe and Family Tree DNA only analyze a tiny fraction of your genome, just 0.02%. Sequencing.com goes much further by sequencing the entire genome to provide more comprehensive and detailed results. The difference in coverage is simply spectacular. However, when compared to a player like Nebula Genomics, which also offers whole genome sequencing with greater depth, 30x or 100x, sequencing.com's performance is less impressive. Sequencing.com doesn't just give you a report. The platform equips you with a suite of tools and applications to fully leverage the potential of your DNA data and make genetics an ally in your everyday life. You have access to over 200 applications, some free, others paid, such as Next-Gen Disease Screen, Genome Explorer v3, Hormone Health, and more. We are impressed by sequencing.com's ecosystem of genealogy applications. This is a real strength that competitors do not yet offer. Several aspects particularly impressed us in our sequencing.com DNA test. The 100% coverage of DNA is a considerable advantage for anyone looking for a comprehensive analysis of their genetic heritage. The DNA app marketplace offers remarkable opportunities to explore your genetic data. Compatibility with raw DNA files from most services on the market makes it easy to migrate from other platforms. Automatic updates to results as scientific discoveries are made add significant long-term value. Our experience with sequencing also reveals a few limitations to keep in mind. The cost of full sequencing remains high compared to traditional DNA tests. The standard 6 to 8 week turnaround time may seem long for those who are impatient, even if the quality of the analysis justifies the wait. The ultra-fast option reduces the wait time, but the additional cost is significant. Sequencing also remains limited compared to genetic genealogy specialists, such as MyHeritage. If your primary goal is to discover your family history, you will find more suitable alternatives on our website, which can be found in the description. Finally, the interface is entirely in English, which may discourage French-speaking users who are less comfortable with the language of Shakespeare. Sequencing.com applies rigorous security standards with complete end-to-end encryption, leaving you with full ownership of your genetic data. No resale, no unauthorized sharing, and permanent deletion of your information upon request. GDPR and HIPAA compliance for health data ensures a level of protection appropriate for the sensitive information that your DNA data represents. In our opinion, sequencing.com transcends simple DNA testing to become a veritable encyclopedia of your genome. The service is ideally suited for people seeking advanced medical analysis of their health predispositions, drug reactions, and specific nutritional needs. It is clearly not the fastest or most economical solution on the DNA testing market, but few services offer such in-depth analysis to help you get the most out of your DNA with regular updates. We recommend sequencing.com to people in any of the following situations. You have a family history of genetic diseases and want comprehensive screening. You work in the medical or scientific field. You want to optimize your health through personalized medicine, or you already have DNA data from other services and want to get more out of it. For those curious about genealogy and only looking for their family origins, we recommend MyHeritage, which excel in this area. If you want to discover what your genome really hides in every detail, the link in the description will allow you to get started right now with sequencing.com. Your health deserves to be explored with the precision that only complete sequencing can offer. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you all for watching. This was DNA Story.